If you want to set up payment options in Whop community, then here's what you're going to do. Setting up payments involves verifying your identity and linking a payout method. So from here, you're going to have to start with payouts first. So this one, you're going from your dashboard. I'm just going to head back to dashboard so that you will know how we get there. You're going from the dashboard, you're going to head over to the left side right here, and then you will be able to see your Whop section. Just click on any of the Whops that you want to add a payment option to. And then from here, you're going to click on dashboard so that we'll be able to see all of the settings right here. Now from there, you're just going to click on payouts. In the payout section, you're going to have to verify first. So you will often see a verification right here. It is like a button, and then you're going to have to click on it, and then you're going to have to enter your password, or the passport or any other valid IDs that you have, and then you're going to confirm it with a selfie. So you're just going to have to do that process first, and then once you're done and then your verification is approved, you're going to head over to the checkout links right here. So this is the easiest way and the most certain way we can find some other payout methods that we can use. So from there, from the checkout links, you're going to click on create checkout link right here at the top right corner of your screen, and then from there we're going to create a checkout link. So as you can see here, we have several options that we can do. From there, you can see this payment methods at the most button of the page. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to check all of the methods that you want to apply. So you can do card, you can do ACH, or any platform balance that you want. You can also do financing right here. You can do PayPal and crypto. But if you want to set that up, you're just going to click on setup right here to add that as a payment option. So it's going to lead you to another page, and then as you can see, you have the option to set up your PayPal account to accept PayPal payments. You can do Coinbase, and then you can also apply for increased checkout limits, and then you can have your several other financing options right here. So all you have to do is to actually connect or set up your account. So let's just take this for example, this PayPal one. We're going to click on setup, and then we're going to have to connect our PayPal account to start accepting PayPal payments. So we're just going to click on next, and then we're going to follow all the prompts that we need to connect our PayPal. So usually you just have to sign in with your PayPal account, and then authorize Whop to be connected to your bank account, and that's it. That is how you can set up payment options in Whop community. If you're planning to sign up and start selling on Whop, please use link the description box to get direct access to our exclusive perks on maximizing your community earnings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.